So here's the deal. A couple months ago, I did a day in the life video, and it was really fun and I enjoyed doing it. But the logistics of doing it was kind of tricky because I didn't have like a super great camera setup. It was a lot. But I just got a new camera. I got a DJI Pocket camera that I had been having my eye on for quite a while. That is so fun to use. And so I thought I'd try to do another day in the life video. Today's Monday. I just got Evelyn out the door for school and I have a lot of work to do today. I want to go swim laps at the pool today too. Life is like so busy right now. It's mid-May, so it's like all of the things, and school's about to be out and we're about to go on a really big trip. So we have a lot to do and I have a lot of work I need to get ahead of, and it's just a lot. But every morning before I start work, I do try to read for like 20 minutes. Right now, I just started over the weekend In Memoriam by Alice Wynn. I'm loving it so much. It's so good. I can tell that tears will be coming. I'm like a little over 100 pages in and I love it. So I'm going to read for 20 minutes. That's what I always try to do every morning so that I make sure I get some reading in first thing in the morning. Then I'm going to get to work. Oh goodness, it's really wanting to follow me. I don't know that I like that. Can we make it stop? Okay, there it stopped. Oh, I just have to click on the face. See, I'm trying to figure out this new camera. Why is my countertop sticky? That's disgusting. Oh, I think this is lemonade powder. Ugh. But I was watching some YouTube videos about my new camera yesterday, just to kind of like tips and tricks. I learned some things about how to use it better. One thing someone said on a video is like, you need to be filming with a camera that you enjoy using. And I honestly like don't enjoy filming on my phone. I don't really enjoy filming on like a big bulky camera that I use to take pictures. But this one is so much fun to use. Sorry, this feels like an advertisement for this camera and it's not. I just can't get over how much I am enjoying using this camera and I cannot wait to take it on trips. Okay, I need to get breakfast. My goal this morning is to finish, or to do, I haven't even started, to do my weekly newsletter that goes out tomorrow morning, get that all scheduled and ready to go before I go to the pool and swim laps. So get some breakfast, go get to work. Okay, I'm heading to the pool. I switched over to my phone because I don't have a great place to put my fancy new camera when I'm at the pool. I'm just gonna be honest, ever since I started figure skating, I have been less than enthused about my swimming days. And honestly, I'm probably not gonna swim very much this summer because it's a nightmare during the summer with all the kids out of school. And we have like a very intense like swim team situation at our pool. Anyway, I'm gonna make myself go swim today. It's probably the last time I'll swim for quite a while because of scheduling and travel. Yeah, I'd rather be at the ice rink, but that is not on the cards today. So going to swim. Okay, so I went swimming, I took a shower, and I need to make some lunch now. I think I'm just gonna make me like a omelet tortilla wrap thing. Usually at lunch, I do like some admin stuff, like if I need to pay bills or catch up on emails and stuff like that. So I'm gonna eat lunch and do that, and then I'm gonna work. Goals for this afternoon. I have some social media posts I need to do, and I want to work on a new blog post for the week, and then a couple other like little things I need to take care of. So those are my work goals for the afternoon. Let's see what we can actually get done. Okay, so I got my blog post draft done. I still have a little bit to finish up on it, and then I need to do the pictures and all the back end work, y'all. A blog post takes so much time. Like, it can take me like an hour to write it, but then it takes me multiple hours to do all of the other work that goes with doing a blog post. Anyway, here's the challenge of working from home, though, is that I need to film a short video in here. And Garrett also works from home, and he's on a meeting right now. And I'm playing the guessing game of like, is he going to be listening for a few minutes? Or is he about to talk a bunch? I don't know. Okay, so I filmed my video. I got a little bit more work done. And now I've got about, 20 minutes probably till my kiddo gets home from school. So I'm going to read for a little bit. And then I don't know what the evening is going to look like. I have some chores I need to do. If I can squeeze in a couple more work things. This is like the story of my life, that I never feel like I get all my work done. So if I can squeeze in a couple more work things, that would be great. I need to make dinner. Yeah, we're gonna see how the evening goes. Okay, we got an exciting package. This is for our Alaska cruise. We got magnets for our door with our names on them. They're really cute, actually. I've heard, we're going Holland America, and I've heard people don't really do this. And actually, I don't think they can go on our doors. I think they have to go on the wall outside our door. I've heard those are magnetic. So, but I don't think they're really a thing on Holland America, but we're used to Disney cruises, and these make everything more fun. I'll put a link in the description of this video to the shop where I got them. They're really cute.
Will you show them mine?
Yes, this is Evelyn's. It's the cutest otter.
I don't think it would look that bad.
No, I think it'd be fine. Garrett's building himself a putting green. We had this was like a playground, and then we took out the playground, and it's just kind of been sitting here, this like level area. So he is turning it into a putting green, and he's been out here working a lot, and I had to just come out and give aesthetic advice about how the stones will go around it. Okay, so I have done a couple chores, done some laundry, had to order some things online, like some more things I thought about for our Alaska cruise. Evelyn needed new tennis shoes because hers got ruined a few days ago. And now it's time to make dinner, and I'm doing a new recipe tonight. It's like a lemony orchetti, I think. So I'm gonna make dinner. So one thing that I used to do a long time ago, you even see me, a challenge to like do a new recipe every week. And I haven't really been great about doing that, but I am trying to get more into it this year. So like at the beginning of the year, I went through like 2 cookbooks that I really like and haven't cooked out of a lot. One of them is Melissa Clark's Dinner in One. I've been wanting to do more recipes from this cookbook. So I made a list of all the recipes I wanted to try and then kind of separated it out into months. I am nothing if not a planner. So that kind of helped me narrow down when I want to make a new recipe, which ones I want to try. What page is this on? 118. We're going to make lemony orchetti with chickpeas, chili, and arugula. I'm not going to make it with chili and arugula. I'll make it with chickpeas. I don't really do greens or heat. Okay, I've got some cooking to do. Okay, so I have never seen a recipe like this before. It actually says 2 cans of chickpeas, but I'm having the recipe. So I did half of 1 can of chickpeas, and then half of it you smash, and then you're going to cook it. And then you're going to cook it with the pasta and then add a lemon. I've never seen a recipe like this before, but I think it sounds interesting. So we're going to see how it turns out. I don't know. Okay, so I put my shallot in and my rosemary in, which just smells good on its own, you know. And then I need, gosh, even shallots make me cry. I need some garlic. Feels like it should be chopped up, but I'm gonna follow the recipe mostly. Nope. The recipe says to add the garlic first, but I never add the garlic first because it's so susceptible to burning, and burnt garlic's like the worst, so I don't know what that's about. It'll still get aromatic. And then I'm supposed to add the chickpea mixture in. Oh, it is like popping all over the place. Still thinking I should have chopped this garlic. Okay, and then I have to boil some pasta in here. Okay, so this is almost done. I just have to add a few more things in, but I think it's actually going to be really good. So I got to add lemon juice and lemon zest in and Parmesan cheese, but the chickpea made it like super creamy. So I think that's going to be really good. I think I'm going to describe it to Evelyn as like creamy lemony mac and cheese with chickpeas, because I think that's what it's going to be like. Okay, here's our dinner. I think it's pretty good. I came out here and these poor herbs that I bought the other week look like they're gonna die, and so I need to go plant them. Which is not really what I want to do this evening, but it's what I need to do. Okay, so I did some planting. I got my basil planted and my lavender planted, and my mint is in this pot right there. Always put your mint in another pot so it doesn't overtake your garden. And I put it down here. There's a lot of nutgrass, a lot of weeds, but there's also some zinnia seeds, so hopefully those will bloom. I've been kind of hesitant to plant my zinnias because I don't want them to bloom while we're in Alaska, or start blooming while we're in Alaska, but I think that they should start blooming when we get back, so that's good. And y'all, I have to show you how many blueberries we have. Okay, we have 3 blueberry bushes, and they are just absolutely, completely full of blueberries. Now, my fear here is that they are going to be perfectly ripe right when we're in Alaska. Like we have, I mean, there are just probably thousands of blueberries here. But we'll see. Maybe we'll get them. Maybe it'll be perfect timing and they'll be ready right when we get back. I don't know. What time is it? It's like getting close to 8 o'clock. And I usually try not to work at night, but I am really trying to get ahead of some things before summer. I'm going to get a little bit of work done. Garrett and Evelyn are watching a TV show, so while they finish that up, I'm going to do like a tiny bit more work. I try not to work at night, but I'm making exceptions right now because of summer coming. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to get Evelyn to bed, and I don't know, then I'm going to relax for the evening. Read. I don't know, Garrett and I might watch a show. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I think that is where I'm going to end the video for today for my day in the life video. It was a good day. I feel like tracking my day through video, like vlogging my day, actually helped me really stay on task because I didn't want a video getting distracted. But it was a good day. I got some work done. I went swimming. Dinner was really good. The whole family really loved that pasta, which is always a plus when I find something I can make again, and it was really easy. But now I think I'm just probably gonna like maybe watch a show and then get in bed and read. Actually, I'm already in bed. I might watch a show in bed and then read. And yeah, it was a good day. So if you liked this video, or if you like any of my other videos, because this is not the normal kind of video I do. I usually do videos about travel, books, and Disney. So if you like any of those things, be sure to hit subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.